This is the Prince, and we always think about the people who hurt. Kaylan, case and wake. Kaylan, case and wake. Flitters boss cries so much time I don't sleep. And Kaylan mother, please reach out to me. No, call me private. Call me so I can see your face. Kaylan mother, give me a call, please. I'm gonna do this short, you see me. Link me on Instagram, Reggae. Take out one of your geotype Reggae and call me Kaylan mother. So, me do what me have to do for Kaylan and tell Kaylan say she have a new godfather. Tell her me love her when she wake and she have a new godfather. And Flitters boss Reggae are the do what me can do. Jamaica, peace sign got a show no down and I learn. And beat up the woman pitney. Why want somebody couldn't say finish? Why somebody couldn't say stop? Why want somebody couldn't say love? Jamaica no get storm, no get thunder, no get everything. No still no rate God, you know. All the man show no sign, you know. God soon come. God will come. God soon come. Black people live in love and unity. Live in love and unity. Kaylan, we love you. Everybody who shout out to Kaylan on in a Reggae art. Everybody who say Kaylan in our art, we love her now. Everybody who big up Kaylan. And Kaylan mother video call me. Don't call me private. Don't call me so I can see her. So I can do what I have to do for Kaylan. I love her. She's my goddaughter. Big up everybody in the world. Jamaica. Peace. Love. Peace. Love. No more killing my brother and my sister. The princess. I'm loving Jamaica. Love God. Thank you. Kaylan mother, link me now. The Prince. I'm out. Thank you.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. No, unstoppable, now we are trained.
Welcome back, Unstoppable family. So people, that right there in the beginning is Flitters boss, aka Reggae. And Flitters boss, like everybody else, is caught up about the whole situation. But one good news is that the 5 of the women involved in the brutal beating has been arrested and charged by the police.
5 women involved in the brutal beating of 17-year-old Kaylan Dowdie has officially been charged. Charged are 26-year-old sales representative Crysian Lewis, 22-year-old waitress Timone Williams, 28-year-old call center representative Shakema McLeod, 45-year-old laborer Yoland Vassel, and 33-year-old Nadine Aldridge. She is unemployed. Head of the St. Andrew North Police Division, Superintendent Aaron Fletcher, says the 5 women have been charged with wounding with intent and unlawful wounding. He says they will appear before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on December 2nd to answer to all charges. They are currently being held in custody and bail would have been considered by the court, Fletcher told reporters.
Kaylan's mother constantly updates the public as to her condition. And in a most recent post on her social media page yesterday, Kaylan's mother says that Kaylan is still hanging in there. However, she is still unconscious. So we definitely have to still keep praying the powerful prayers for Kaylan. In another topic, Yvonne Sterling. Most of you may know her. She's a reggae singer. She has fallen on hard times. And entertainer is trying to seek some assistance for the veteran singer. She did a video with Claude Sinclair, big up yourself Claude, and Claude is asking the public as well as Claude and Little Lenny made a donation to Yvonne.
Now where we are going to when the time is so serious. It's been a long, long time.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are at the Yoland Vassel police station. I'm here with reggae star Yvonne Sterling. She's on hard times. Yes. And we saw the flight of her plight.
Yes, thank you.
Reggae superstar Kaylan reached out to me last night with tears in his eyes. And he said, Big Stone, we have to do something about this thing. So, Kaylan, come on over here. Come on over here. Little Lenny, Yvonne Sterling, make your presentation.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Little Lenny has just handed Yvonne Sterling the sum of $55,000 to help her in her plan. My name is Claude Sinclair and I want to make you a presentation of $20,000 towards your plight as well.
Thank you very much.
On behalf of the ruler of the Premier Foundation, we love you, Yvonne.
Yes.
Remember that you're a star. I listened to your song, Oh Jah,
Yes.
and it brought me to tears.
Oh Jah, can't you see your people are not free? Now when we are going to do when the time gets so serious? It's been a long, long time since we've been taken from our homeland and scattered all over in Babylon's bondage. And oh, I'm praying night and day to see my people unite. Oh, Jah, I'm praying they will stop fuss and fight. They will.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm actually brought to tears because just the word of the song is telling us that it's about time that we come together. Come together as a race of people. Come together as Jamaicans. Come together and give back, because when we give back, it will come back to you. It might not come back from her, but it will come back from many other sources. On the way up to the top, it's great, but guess what? On the way down.
So after the video went viral, reggae singer Richie Stephens came across the video and had to do his part to reach out to Yvonne Sterling. Let's take a view at what's happening here.
Alright, so I am here to tell a little story, but before I tell that, I'm Richie Stephens. Here,
I'm Yvonne Sterling.
is Yvonne Sterling. Now you might see a story with her of late. You know, basically talking about she falling on hard times and needs some assistance as a singer from the 70s coming up and so, which I never really know her. I've met her for the first time, but I'll tell you a quick story before we let her in. 4 years ago I was touring Brazil and the tour was going wonderfully well, and I started to meet different people in Brazil and they would tell me about their favorite Jamaican artists. And so, now, reggae music is very big, especially in certain parts of Brazil, like San Luis. And while touring, I met Valdine, who is a big radio disc jockey, and Reggae Point. His show is Reggae Point. And he was telling me about this lady. All he was talking about is Yvonne Sterling. So, there's a couple of reggae artists from Jamaica that the Brazilian people really love. Like Parks and We the People, Eric Donaldson, Wayne Wade, Yvonne Sterling, and hence why I'm here today, because when I saw the story, I immediately called my brethren in Brazil and say, you see what is going on with the favorite artist? And say, yes, I've seen it. And we in Brazil would love to do something to help her. So he asked me if I could get in touch with her, and I said, I don't really know her. I've never met her before. I don't know if she's in Kingston where I'm living or in somewhere in the country. But I'll try my best to get in touch with her. And after I hang up from him, I was watching a video with Little Lenny. Yes, the artist Little Lenny. And Little Lenny was on his way to check with Yvonne Sterling. So I called up Little Lenny and said, Little Lenny, guess what? I need to contact this lady as well. Give me the link. Let's go around there tomorrow. So now we're here with Miss Yvonne Sterling. So I'm going to give her a chance to bless them up. But before that, the whole idea is they're going to start something on the radio where fans can call in and pledge some funds for Miss Yvonne Sterling. And also there are talks about doing a session. No, there's no concert can happen also. Like a session where people can come and pledge. So we hope that this will develop into something big and will help to change our situation. So Ms. Sterling, say something to the Brazilian people about how you feel about this.
Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good night, good evening. I am so happy to meet you. And I'm very happy that Mr. Richard Stephen and Little Lenny is here with me today. Now, I want to sing a song for you. If you love me, let me know. If you don't, then let me go. I can't take another minute of a day without you in it. If you love me, let it be. If you don't, then set me free.
Pull up. What I want you to also do is to send a special shout out to Mr. Valdine. This is my good friend in Brazil. He's the one organizing all of this film. So say hello to Mr. Valdine.
Hello, Mr. Valdine.
Yes.
I hope that you are doing well and trying to take care of yourself. And I hope that one day I will see you personally as one of my fans. Thank you very much.
Big up Valdine. So, Sterling, all I can tell you, I am in this to make sure something great will happen in the end.
Yes.
I don't get into things unless it's serious. Anybody can tell you that.
Yeah.
So, with myself, Little Lenny, and all the help that we're expecting from Brazil,
yes,
and hopefully from Jamaica as well,
yes,
we'll try our very best to kind of, bring something special to your life, and hopefully we'll change the situation.
Yes.
All right?
Yes. And I
bless you and love you, and I love how your spirit is still up,
yes,
and you still have your voice,
yes,
and I hope this situation will change.
Thank you.
One love world, one love Jamaica.
Yes, thank you very much.
There you have it, viewer. Start me down in the comment section. Do you remember this singer or not? If you can and is willing to assist, you can definitely reach out to Little Lenny or Richie Stevens on Instagram and try to help out this singer. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.